Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jael. Today's video is going to be in this Snow White tutorial. I told you that in October I was going to bring you different Halloween looks. So today we're gonna become one of the OGs Disney princesses. But before we jump into the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. And now we're ready. Let's get started. For this look, I'm going to start with my brows. I'm using the Urban Decay Brow Blade in the color Cool Cookie. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C1 to clean out the edges of the eyebrows. To prime my face, I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. And for foundation, I'm using the BareMinerals Bare Pro in the color Fair. To conceal my dark circles, brighten the center of my face, and prep the eyelids for the eyeshadows, I'm using the same Makeup Revolution concealer that I used before. To set the concealer in my eyelids, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation in the color 110. For the eyes, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I'm going to start with the color Dawn, applying it all over the eyelids. Then I'm going to use the color Fudge in the outer corners to give some dimension to the eyes. I'm applying the eyeshadows very softly and building the intensity of the color little by little. To make sure everything is blended out, I'm using the first fluffy brush that I used with the color Dawn. Then, with my finger, I'm going to apply the color Cube in the center and inner corner of my eyes. As an eyeshadow topper, I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Perlina. Now, I'm making sure that I don't have any creases in my concealer before I'm setting my under eyes and the rest of my face with the Bye Bye Pores Translucent Powder of IT Causemetics. Now, I'm using the NYX Wonder Pencil in the color Light in the lower lash line, making sure that I'm even covering the bottom lashes to make the eyes look bigger. Then, with the eyeshadow Fudge, I'm going to create a fake lower lash line. For my wing eyeliner, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner in the color Deepest Black. Also, I'm using this eyeliner to draw some fake bottom lashes. To bring back some color to my complexion, I'm using the Tarte Blush Palette Make Every Moment Count. I'll be using the color Love. Obviously, Snow White is not bronze, so I'm using this pale pink blush to define a little bit my face. Now for blush, I'm using a combination of the Hourglass blushes, Surreal Halo, and Pure Effect. I'm going heavy with these blushes because I want really intense pink glowy cheeks. To highlight my face, I'm using the Ofra highlighter in the color Star Island. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and use the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in the color Brynn. For the fake eyelashes, I'm using the Kiss Lash Glue Liner in the color Black. In my opinion, this product makes the process so much easier, but I have to confess I'm really bad at applying lashes. Now for the signature Snow White red lips, I'm going to use the NYX retractable lip liner in the color Ruby. And to complete this look, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Missy and Fierce. Okay, and this is the complete look. If you like this tutorial, if you like this Halloween look, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And that's all for today. So I see you in my next video. Bye.